For the Lazy Daisy stitch, I'm using the largest needle in this pack of 3 through 9 embroidery needles and 4 strands of embroidery thread. I'm going to knot just one end and begin in the center of my daisy. I'm going to bring my working thread with one hand and bring my needle down through right next to where we came up, and I'm going to leave some thread on the top of my fabric in the form of a loop. When I bring my needle up through the fabric, I'm going to come up through the loop at the top of this line, pull my thread through the loop, and make a small securing stitch on the other side of the loop to secure the loop in place on top of my fabric. Now coming back to the center of the daisy, I'm going to repeat the same process. So bring my needle back down right next to where I came up, leave a small loop on the top of my fabric, bring my needle through the loop and pull my thread through. And each time I'm going to secure the stitch by bringing a small stitch over top the loop. When you're finished, you can knot the back of your fabric, and there you go. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.